For the past 3.5 years, Tristan, as I've gotten to know you, okay, here's the hard part. I've just come to know what an incredible person you are in all ways. And most importantly, I see how happy you make my Carly.
And I do just want to say that I'm just so honored. Like, I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited to be a part of that family that you guys are going to start and all the adventures that you're going to have starting today.
He's operated under a cool, soft-spoken confidence, remaining humble and kind in the face of frequent success. He has a calming and uplifting presence. As a teammate, he set the tone for hard work and discipline. As a friend, he keeps his promises and is steadfast in his support of all of us, no matter how far across the world he is. As a Marine, he expertly flies some of the most difficult jets the United States has to offer.
From the way I felt when you looked up into my eyes the first time that night, to the way you just get a little bit of toothpaste on your chin every time.